Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain the introduction to database management systems. So database management systems are nothing but, DBMS is nothing but, D is for data, DBMS. Data, B is nothing but base, and M is nothing but management, and S is nothing but system. So what is data? So data is nothing but, it is in the form of any fact that can be recorded. So it may in the form of text, numbers, alphanumeric, audio, video or image. So any fact that can be recorded, that is nothing but data. So base is nothing but, so this is going to give the support to this data. So database is nothing but collection of interrelated data. Database is nothing but collection of interrelated data, typically describing the activities of one or more related organization. So if we consider a university database, for example, if we consider a university database, so what it might contain? It might contain entities. It might contain entities such as, students, faculty, courts, and classrooms. Right? So if we consider a university database, it might contain entities such as students, faculty, courses and classrooms. A relationship between entities such as students, enrollment in courses, faculty teaching courses and the use of rooms for courses. So means that, database is nothing but, it is a collection of data typically describing the activities of one or more related organization. So we are having different types of databases here. So one is traditional database, multimedia database, geographic information database, real-time database, data warehouse. So data warehouse is one type of database. So it is a place where you are going to store huge volume of historical data, or huge amount of data can be stored in the case of data warehouse. Now DBMS, database management systems. Database management systems is nothing but collection of interrelated data and set of programs to access those data. So it helps us to store and retrieve database information in a convenient and efficient manner. So if we combine database and database management systems, we'll get database systems. See here, management is there. Who will manage the database management systems? So there we are having DBA, database administrator is there to handle everything. So management. So database administrator is going to manage everything regarding about the data. System is nothing but software. So software is nothing but itself, it is a program. So here we are having a software for storing and retrieving the data in a database. So this is the introduction to database management systems.